Taking off a door trim in most cars is going to be pretty much exactly the same. So you would typically have some screws hiding under column where the buttons are, or it will be somewhere towards the edge of the door. On the 5-door version of the Polo, you've got a little screw here, but this is a 3-door, so you don't have that. So on this Polo, the screws we're looking for are hiding underneath here. So I've got my trim tool. I'm going to stick that right in there. So you can see I just sort of pushed on it a little bit and it's already come loose. Before you do tasks like this, it's always a good idea to disconnect the battery, because the last thing you want is to set the airbags off. Now we've got that off, inside there you can see that there is a torque screw right in there. There is also another torque screw. Got a T30 on the drill here. Here comes the first one. The one right in there, my drill's not going to be able to reach that, so I'm going to get a screwdriver on that. So I've got my T30 on a screwdriver. Pop that right in there. Wow, I have to tighten this up. Probably from factory like that. That's super tight. And here comes the last T30. There's the other T30. So now, basically the door is held on by a couple of little clips, and the clips will be round the edge of the door, but you also need to lift it up slightly. Let's go ahead and get that done. Suppose some of the trim at the top here, like that. Then you can peel this back gently. Probably better if you do this with a trim tool, and you want to do this while the door's out, while the window is open basically. So as you can see, pull that back. Now the door is loose at the top there. Gently go ahead and start to remove the door without putting too much pressure, just gently pulling it away. So it's just a couple of clips holding it on. Don't be shy, pull it off, it's not going to break the door. Okay, so here we go. These are the clips that are holding the door on the edges. So you've got these, and then they plug into there. Some of the other ones are still on the door, they plug into those little holes. So here, when you look at the actual door, you need to go ahead and disconnect this. All these cables connecting to the door, you need to go ahead and disconnect this as well.